Perfect. Oh, hi, Maria. What can I get for you?
I'd like some lunch. Is there any pizza?
Oh, one slice of pizza coming up.
Great.
And now it's time to play the Triangle Game with everybody's friendliest traveling game show host, Sonny Friendly.
Yeah, thank you, and thank you. Yeah. Hey, are we having a nice day or what? Huh? Yeah.
Do you mind? I'm going to have some lunch.
Hey, Sonny doesn't mind a bit. And Maria, you have been chosen to be our contestant on the Triangle Game. Thank you.
I said I'm going to have some lunch.
Mm-hmm. And I'm sorry, Mr. Hanford, there's only room for one contestant here on the Triangle Game. You can't play.
No problem.
Hey, I don't want to play either.
Now here is how you play the game.
I don't believe this guy.
Let's see. Okay. Here I have a triangle, Right here, yeah. It's a shape that has 3 sides and 3 corners.
I said I'm not playing.
Mm-hmm. Now all you have to do is find something else that's shaped just like a triangle, and you'll win today's special prize.
Hold it. Now look, Mr. Friendly. I do not want to play. I do not want to be on your show, and I don't want to win a special prize. All I want to do is eat my lunch.
Congratulations, Maria! You are our grand prize winner! That piece of pizza is shaped just like a triangle. And now, Maria, your prize is a triangle! Yeah, here you go. Enjoy it now. Yeah. Well, that's all the time we have for the Triangle Game. So see you next time, and remember, Sonny loves ya! Yes!
Hey, he took my pizza. Hey, come back here with my lunch. Wait. Oh.
Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letters A and G and by the fabulous number 5. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Bye-bye.